Today this lecture will explain causes to many worlds, plants and animals, possibilities of extinction, and furthermore, examines human impact on this issue. So, over the last decades, many species were endangered due to climate change as natural causes, but nowadays, they are mostly impacted by human activities. The first major cause is destruction and pollution of the habitat. Most species are adapted in a specific environment and they are not able to survive if they are moved or lose their habitat. For example, fish can only live underwater. Destruction by human exploitment of natural resources for human civilization devastated many habitats. Also, environment pollution from industrial factories and traces of farming threaten the survival of many animals, such as oil spill from the ships or acid rains from factories. The second reason for it is illegal activities in wildlife. Despite being banned in many countries, illegally hunting animals for food or their body parts are still widespread and popular. Tigers, for example, are hunted for fur, which was estimated only about 3,000 individuals of tigers are left on Earth. Elephants are killed for their tusks, which can be made into souvenirs or artworks sold to tourists and art collectors. Rhinos, however, are hunted for their horns, which people many believe to make medicines, but scientists show that it didn't work. So in 2010, 333 rhinos were illegally killed in South Africa alone, while 3 years before that, only 13 were killed. The last cause was the competition for habitat, the direct result of human impacts. So as you know, there are competition between animals and plants with each other in each habitat, which might not be related to human activities, but some are directly linked. By introducing non-native species, human human brings something that is extremely devastating into a new habitat, maybe on purpose or even accident. Many Europeans brought their European rabbits into Australia on purpose to raise them for food or hunting, but rabbits only eat plants, so many of the Australian native plants came to extinct. Ants, the brown tree snakes were introduced by accident to the warm Iceland in the late of 1940, which destroyed a large part of bird population in that island. So, introduction harm native species and habitat. In conclusion, by identifying three major reasons for threatening survival of species, we should raise awareness about protecting endangered animals and plants so humans as a part of the nature won't end up the same as them.